Hello and welcome to this brief overview on IdeateApps, our newest addition to our growing portfolio of solutions for Revit. My name is Glynis Patterson, Director of Software Development at Ideate Software. Thanks for joining me today. IdeateApps is a collection of Revit solutions that are designed for the everyday Revit user. In this video, we will review how each of these tools will reduce project timelines and improve productivity for all Revit users. The Revit team is likely to be spending time on a variety of tedious numbering tasks throughout the project. Examples may include doors, rooms, equipment, and don't forget the sheet detail numbers. Liberate yourself from tedium and improve project coordination with Ideate Renumber. Ideate Renumber has easy-to-use pre-built rules for renumbering common elements, but it also allows for complete customization. The project browser in Revit is more like a library of objects that can be used within your Revit project rather than a snapshot of what's actually in your Revit model, though that's exactly what we need. Use Ideate Quick Select to quickly find, select, and manipulate Revit elements. How else would you select lines, revisions, text, view references, dimensions, or any hard-to-select Revit element, even those that may be frequently hidden, such as a CAD import? Save time navigating through your Revit model with Quick Select. When you delete the link or the ceiling, are you sure you are only deleting the selected elements? Done improperly, Revit mode deletion will impact liability and the project schedule, and yet when you delete with Revit, there's not even a prompt to give you a second chance. With Ideate Smart Delete, you'll get that second chance to review your deletion set, and more importantly, you can preview what else will be deleted before it happens. Using Smart Delete is as simple as making your deletion selection, then using a shortcut or other method to launch the tool. You can't afford to not know what's being deleted. This tool increases efficiency and saves you from important liability issues while allowing you full understanding of the impact of your Revit edits. Have you ever received the Revit warning that none of these created elements are visible in the current view? What could be the cause? There are dozens of reasons why an object doesn't display within a Revit view. Ideate X-ray checks over 50 reasons why an element may be hidden within a specific view, allowing you to understand or fix the issue. One of the top questions a BIM manager receives from the Revit team is, why doesn't something display in this view? Ideate X-ray helps the Revit team understand and fix visibility issues, therefore allowing the BIM manager to focus and concentrate on higher level issues, thus increasing efficiency and productivity for the Revit project and the entire Revit team. Spelling errors are not only embarrassing, but can contribute to miscommunications and a lack of confidence by your customers. When Revit is used to spell check the project, only the active view is checked, and information within the schedules is always ignored. Ideate Spellcheck is a comprehensive solution that lets you define the range of views or schedules that you'd like to review. It supports many languages, including some, such as Dutch, that is not currently covered by Revit spell checking. Don't be embarrassed by spelling errors in your deliverables. Use Ideate Spellcheck. New to the Revit project? Forgot the folder logic? Just want to find that darn sheet and view and move on? The Revit project browser is old school. Your project needs Ideate SheetManager because your billable time shouldn't be spent scrolling in search of a view or sheet. Sure, you could search one view at a time, but why? When you have Ideate SheetManager, simply type in a keyword to quickly find what you want. Want to quickly see all the unplaced drafting views? No problem. Have 200 sheets, but only want to see those that start with M1? No problem. Tired of naming your schedules just so you can find them? With SheetManager, your schedules and legends are organized and searchable, so name away to your heart's content. SheetManager is designed to expedite sheet layout work, so if you've ever wished you could drop more than one view at a time, now you can. If you've ever needed to move views from one sheet to another, now you can. And the bonus feature is that while you're doing all this work, SheetManager is working in the background to ensure that your viewport types don't revert back to the default. That's one less thing to forget and one more reason your sheets will plot correctly. This tool needs no explanation. Take pride in your deliverables and make sure they're easy to read. Ideate Align makes it easy to coordinate the location of the views on your sheets. Use Align to coordinate across many sheets at once. If you've ever wanted to make a copy of a sheet, now you can with Ideate Clone. Ideate Clone condenses the work required to make a duplicate sheet from an average of 10 steps down to just 2. This not only saves time, but results in a better organized and less error-prone sheet layout. And last but not least, Ideate ViewCreator takes on the very important but tedious task of batch creating Revit views. This tool automates both the view naming and view property settings, taking these decisions out of the hands of the average user through the use of a rule-based system. Now anyone on the team can safely create views that meet your BIM standards, even the new intern. You can go from just a handful of level 1 views to multiple views across multiple levels and disciplines in just a minute. Note the proper naming and proper project browser organization. This is bulletproof view control. All of our Ideate software solutions are easy to deploy and are available as either a standalone or network. In addition, we strive to make our solutions easy to learn by including a variety of training tools geared toward both new and advanced Revit users. Download a free trial of our software online to see for yourself, and be sure to let us know what you think. You and your Revit team deserve to focus on design and engineering and not Revit minutia. Use IdeateApps to improve their productivity and increase project quality. To learn more, please visit us at ideatesoftware.com/IdeateApps.